Are you seeing that annoying one notification badge on your Tesla app that just won't go away? You're not alone. This video will show you how to fix it. The stuck notification problem is a common issue in the Tesla app. It's typically caused by a glitch where the app fails to properly clear cached alerts, leading to the persistent badge. This isn't a hardware problem, but a software synchronization issue between the app, your phone's operating system, and Tesla's servers. The first and simplest solution is to force close the Tesla app completely and then restart it. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Then, swipe the Tesla app up and off the screen. On Android, open the Recent Apps menu, usually by swiping up from the bottom or tapping a square icon, and swipe the Tesla app away. After force closing, reopen the app and see if the notification badge is gone. This resolves the issue for many users. If force closing the app doesn't resolve the persistent notification issue, try clearing the Tesla app's cache. This step is specifically for Android users and helps remove temporary files that might be causing the problem. First, open your phone's Settings app. This is where you'll access app management options. Next, navigate to Apps or Applications in Settings. Scroll to find the Tesla app, tap on it, and then select the Storage option. In the Storage menu, you'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Tap Clear Cache to delete temporary files that might be causing the notification to stick. Be cautious with clear data, as it will log you out and reset app settings. Even with improvements in Tesla's latest updates, clearing the cache manually can resolve persistent notification issues by removing corrupted temporary data. First, ensure your Tesla app's notification settings are properly configured. Go to your phone's Settings, then Notifications. Find the Tesla app and make sure notifications are enabled. Drill down into the Tesla app's notification settings and ensure that badges are enabled. Toggle the badges off and on again. This can sometimes force the OS to refresh the notification status. Also, make sure that any Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't interfering with the Tesla app's notifications. A simple phone restart can often resolve software glitches that cause persistent notifications. Power off your phone completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This clears the phone's temporary memory and can resolve conflicts with the Tesla app. This is a basic troubleshooting step, but it's often surprisingly effective. If previous steps haven't resolved the stuck notification, try reinstalling the Tesla app as a last resort. This clears any corrupted data and ensures you have the latest version. Long press the Tesla app icon on your home screen. On iOS, select Remove App. On Android, select Uninstall. Next, open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Tesla and download the app. After installation, open the app and log in with your Tesla account. Check if the notification badge has disappeared. Don't forget to re-enable notifications in the app settings. Make sure you're running the latest version of the Tesla app and your phone's operating system, whether iOS or Android. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues that lead to notification problems. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for Tesla app updates. Keeping the app current ensures you have the latest bug fixes. Also, go to your phone's settings and check for system updates. This is crucial for optimal performance and resolving notification issues. Tesla's support team has acknowledged these persistent notification problems and implemented a server-side fix in Q4 2025 aimed at clearing orphaned notifications. If the notification badge persists after trying all troubleshooting steps, contact Tesla support for further assistance. They can identify server-side issues or account-specific problems. Contact through the Tesla app or website. Provide details about the issue and steps already tried. Expert opinions note this reflects broader mobile app challenges, with Tesla actively working on improvements.